Here we are a few days later, trying to work out what's caused the puncture. Originally I thought it was this valve, but it's completely split there and there. Well, patched that bit, those two holes, and I've found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So I'm starting to wonder, had someone put something on the trail? Found it. Found what's caused the initial puncture. Anyway. And then maybe the tube running, don't know, but yeah. Has it focused on that? And there's the culprit. That was in the tyre. So how on earth I picked that up down the trail, unless it'd been in the tyre for a while and just bouncing over rocks had poked it through. But as I was watching Bo Miles on YouTube the other day, and he was taking great pride in reusing a screw. I'm going to keep this nail and I'm going to use it for something. Be it, I tell you what, on my wall of things in my shed, I'm going to hang a sign up of some sort. Maybe even a picture of that day when that happened, to remind me of it. So they were a couple of clips from during the week at a local bike meet. I've now got to about Friday because I didn't actually have a spare tube in the shed, so I had to wait for some in the post. The white powder is talcum powder, which I found works great for helping the tyre on the rim. This is going to be the tricky part, getting the engine back in myself. That's probably the heaviest part and most awkwardest part, to get off the ground and into place and then get a bolt in it before you drop it. Time me on, 11 minutes, almost 12 to get the engine back in. Went a short ride the other day when I put it all back together. Just literally around the block around the local town, and it all seemed good. I thought I'd come a few more miles this evening. Just after rechecking bolts and whatnot, all good. I also spent an hour or so today giving the engine a good clean. And does anyone recognise this? It is Mr. Sandu's shop from the film This Is England. It's actually just around the corner from me. And here's a CT70 I was watching on eBay. Not that I had the money for it, but wow, what a price for a barn find bike.